Good morning, dear children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Do you know we have 26 letters in English alphabet and each letter has its own sound, just like you and me. So, let's start. A. The sound of letter A is A. Apple. B. The sound of letter B is B. Ball. C. The sound of letter C is K. Cat. D. The sound of letter D is D. Drum. E. The sound of letter E is A. Egg. F. The sound of letter F is Fan. G. The sound of letter G is G. Glasses. H. The sound of letter H is Horse. I. The sound of letter I is Igloo. J. The sound of letter J is Juice. K. The sound of letter K is King. L. The sound of letter L is Lamp. M. The sound of letter M is Mango. N. The sound of letter N is Noodles. O. The sound of letter O is Owl. P. The sound of letter P is Parrot. Q. The sound of letter Q is Queen. R. The sound of letter R is Rabbit. S. The sound of letter S is Sun. T. The sound of letter T is Tiger. U. The sound of letter U is Umbrella. V. The sound of letter V is Van. W. The sound of letter W is Watch. X. The sound of letter X is Fox. Y. The sound of letter Y is Yellow. Z. The sound of letter Z is Z, Z, zebra. Dear children, I hope you will remember the alphabet and its sounds.